Here is the BBQOVN Wi-Fi sub 1G wireless meat thermometer, unlimited range, and it also has 7 sensors. I love this thing. You're going to get 2 probes here. You can see I have the white one out and there's a black one. Make sure you're charging this at night before about 5.5 hours. Here is the pork roast that I'm cooking. I've inserted at the deepest point. This thing comes with an app and it's so convenient. You can actually set the ambient temperature, the low and the high. I did that wrong originally, but very convenient. In the end, you basically set where you want the pork to be at in this situation or any meat, and it's going to tell you when you are close to being done and when cooking is done. You could also use the booster where those probes were in. Here you can see if you pick pork, it actually gives you all the temperatures you could be looking for, or you can manually slide it at the top to exactly where you want to cook it. Originally, I wanted 190. I eventually decided I want to go to 200. When it is done, it does send you an alert when you get close, and when it's done cooking, it says done. After cooking it to over 200 degrees, it says 204. The app said 204 also. I use my probe there, 212. I consider that a win. It's a little bit different area, but this thing cooked very accurately, exactly where I wanted, especially since I like this to be like pulled pork. Now, I want to thank BBQOVN for sending this to me to review. You know, my honest opinion, at first, I wasn't sure if it was going to be very accurate. It ends up being within 5-6 degrees. To me, is super accurate. If you're looking for a meat thermometer, I don't know why you'd ever go to anything other than this wireless BBQOVN meat thermometer.